Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to turn on incognito mode in Wave browser. Incognito mode is a great way to browse the internet privately without saving your browsing history, cookies, or site data. Let's get started. First, open Wave browser. Once you have it open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is the menu button. Click on these 3 dots to open the menu. In the menu, you'll see several options. Look for the one that says New Incognito Window. Click on New Incognito Window. A new window will open, and you'll notice that it looks a bit different from your regular browsing window. This is your incognito mode. You'll see a message telling you that you've gone incognito and a little incognito icon in the top corner. While you're in incognito mode, your browsing history, cookies, and site data won't be saved. However, keep in mind that your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer, or your internet service provider. And that's it! You're now browsing in incognito mode. If you want to exit incognito mode, simply close the incognito window and you'll be back to your regular browsing session. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.